Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, June the 4th. I think it is June 4th. Yeah, today is June 4th. So, guys, today is a good day. Today is an amazing day. If you got up today in your right mind, you are blessed, guys. Today is a day of Thanksgiving for us to give thanks, honor, praise to the Most High who is in control of our lives. Guys, today is another day to move forward in your life. It doesn't matter what's going on, what you are going through, what you have been through, what you are facing. Guys, it's a new day and you woke up. So that means you can overcome any obstacle. It might take some time, but we can get there. We can all get there. But it starts with us and start believing in ourselves, guys. Love yourself today, okay? Love yourself today so you can be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Guys, today is a good day, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Outfit of the day, outfit of the day, outfit of the day, outfit of the day, outfit of the day. Hey guys, I'm back really quick. So, guys, do not forget, or did you guys forget to go over to the other channel, Simply Black Vegan? I did put up the video for my mom's brunching for this coming Sunday. It's gonna be nice. And also, I'm trying to think what else today. Once I get home from work, we're going to style the table, the table. I seen y'all comments, and some of y'all were saying y'all prefer me to put the coffee table in the living room. But guys, that table is taller than the one that I just got. And it does not look right. It just really doesn't. The other one is mid-century modern as well, but it fits and suits the front room than it does the back room. I did put it back there before I even got that table. So yeah, but I did look, I did think about that. And like I said, I did place it before I even got the new table in the back space to see how that would look before even coming across the table that I just recently hauled. So yeah, guys, I appreciate that. Let me go ahead and finish driving because these people today, I don't know what's going on. It is Friday, but when it's early in the morning, typically people drive fast, but it's older people out now, and they're driving like really under the speed limit. I do the same thing sometimes, but yeah. So guys, I will see you guys later on. And remember, love yourself, okay? It's so important to love yourself every day. All right, I'll see you guys in a little while. Hey guys, I'm getting my steps in. I didn't think I could do it well. Yes, I did with my comfortable flip-flops. Y'all, these were well worth it. These are the Reef shoes. Look at that. They're so comfortable. But I will be going back to the car because this is my first 2 miles. But I will be going back to the car. I did last night. Well, not last night, but yesterday evening. I did peel the pineapple. So I got the pineapple, the thing to the pineapple, the core and all that stuff that I was going to put out here for the deer. So I will be going to get that, and then I will be putting my tennis shoes on, and then also I'm going to go get my sunglasses because I'm noticing I try to not to wear the sunglasses for your eyes. However, I am noticing that the bugs, you know, bugs when they come past you, they like to fly in your eyes because it's wet. So I'm gonna go put my sunglasses on, and yeah, but it's a really nice day, y'all. It's so beautiful, and it's like 80, it's almost 80 degrees, but it's really a nice day. So I got one more to go, and that'll be my 4 miles, and I'll see you guys once I finally get home. Guys, I had to come back. Look right there. That is truly beautiful. Look, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at that. It's a newborn baby deer. Well, it's a baby doe. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is beautiful to me. This is what life is worth living for. How awesome is that? Where is your mother? Y'all, look. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's taking a bath. She's cleaning her tail. Y'all, look at that. Just take it all in. It is amazing. Hey, baby. Hey, how you doing over there? Oh my God, y'all, look at that. All right, that's enough, right? All right, guys. I am finally home. So first, oh gosh, y'all, I'm super tired, but we're gonna get into this haul. I mean, not into no haul. We're gonna get into this video. You guys see the beautiful table behind me that we're gonna style. You guys are gonna style it with me. Trust me, she ain't got much to put on there. She just doesn't, because you don't need a lot. But guys, I want to get into these shoes. If you guys don't remember, I bought these shoes last year in the summertime, and these are the Reef shoes. Guys, these are so comfortable. Now, they were at Goodwill, and they were $8, but they were brand new. They have a really nice cushion on them. This is what they look like. And they are by Reef. I did Google them. This is leather here. But guys, these are the most comfortable shoes. Oh my gosh. I told you, my first round at the park, 2 miles. I did it with the shoes on. So yeah, pat myself on the back. But anyway, guys, you guys, I'm gonna show you how I style this table. So if that's what you're interested in, then just keep on watching, because we're about to decorate this table with minimal stuff, and it's gonna look nice, trust me, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually like this table. You don't need a whole lot to style your table. Now, I still have that basket with the handles. Let me know what y'all think about setting it in here. But I absolutely love this table just like it is. It is very, very, look at that. You don't need a lot. This is how it looks from the couch. Look how beautiful, y'all. You don't need a whole lot of stuff. You don't. You don't. I'm gonna do a tour of this room pretty soon too. But guys, let me know what you think. I absolutely love it. Plain, simple, straight to the point. So I put my coasters here by themselves. There's 2 of them, like so. 2 different styles, but the same grouping. I put my decor book, which I absolutely, look at that, y'all. I'm so glad I did that. I put my marble, wood, and stone, black and thing here, book in, and I put my candle, that you guys see me thrift from a Goodwill before. The White Lotus, we still got some in there. And actually I have my remote to the TV in here, and all of my stones and crystals here behind on this side, so you can't see them. That belongs in the center. But guys, yeah, that's how that looks sitting there. So yeah, let me know what you think. Oh, one more thing. Hold on line, guys. Here is the new door handle, guys. I love it. Look at that. Look how nice that turned out, guys. Oh my gosh, it's getting there. Everything is turning out. Here's the other piece to it, black. But guys, that looks really, really good. So yeah, everything is coming along, guys. I absolutely love this table. Let's go around again one more time so you guys can actually see how it looks from all the angles. Y'all, I love this table. It is so pretty. So pretty. All wood. Yes. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for me. So like I said, stay tuned for another upcoming video. I will be tomorrow loading a video for Saturday. It's going to be a clean with me, cleaning the living room, dining room area. Things need to be dusted, floor need to be mopped and swept. Tables need to be wiped off. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Come back and see me again. And remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place, guys, okay? I love you guys, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Please like, share. Okay, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, guys. Bye, y'all.